National Electrical Code Article 210.4b states that a separate branch circuit shall not be required for a Class 2 or Class 3 power supply that meets all of the following conditions. Firstly, the power supply is used to provide power to a single device. Secondly, the total load of the power supply does not exceed 100 volt amps. Thirdly, the power supply is provided by a transformer or converter that is listed for Class 2 or Class 3 power supplies. Fourthly, the power supply is installed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Article 210.5c addresses branch circuits supplying 2 or more Class 2 or Class 3 power supplies. It states that such a circuit shall not be required to have an overcurrent device rated at 15 amps or less if all the following conditions are met. Firstly, the total load of all the power supplies does not exceed 100 volt amps. Secondly, the power supplies are connected to the branch circuit with a cable or cord listed for Class 2 or Class 3 power supplies. Thirdly, the power supplies are installed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Article 406.1 specifies that a neutral conductor shall be connected to the grounded terminal of the Class 2 or Class 3 power supply. Article 406.3c clarifies that Class 2 and Class 3 wiring shall not be used for fire alarm circuits, burglary alarm circuits, or other emergency circuits that are required to function in the event of a power failure. Article 406.3d prohibits the use of Class 2 and Class 3 wiring in conjunction with other conductors that are not part of the Class 2 or Class 3 system. Now, let's analyze the scenario where one taps off a 220 volt water heater circuit and mounts a small step-down transformer rated at 50 mA to 1 amp to create a 120 volts outlet. The intention is to plug in a Class 2 transformer for a security panel. This scenario violates several National Electrical Code articles. Firstly, Article 210.4b is violated because the transformer is providing power to more than one device. It's powering both the security panel and the 120 volts outlet itself. Secondly, Article 406.3c is violated because Class 2 wiring is being used for a security panel, which qualifies as an emergency circuit. Tapping a water heater circuit for this purpose introduces potential safety hazards and compromises the intended functionality of the security system during a power outage. Understanding and adhering to the National Electrical Code is crucial for ensuring safe and compliant electrical installations. These regulations are in place to protect people and property from electrical hazards, and failing to comply with them can have serious consequences. When designing and installing electrical systems, always consult the latest edition of the National Electrical Code and seek guidance from qualified electrical professionals.